Hello everyone, welcome back. This will be the third preset I give away in a row here. They'll be in the description below. These are all different, they're not the same as the other ones I gave away in the last pack, but they are similar. They are in effect, like the last ones. After you download them, look for SDS, Kinetic Captions pack. The last one was Motion, this one's Caption. They work the same. Just bring it over and drop it right on. You can use them on a text plus or any PNG picture, transparent picture. They'll work at any frame rate and they'll work on any aspect ratio too. If you switch when it's on there, it might act kind of funny. So when you apply them, you should do it on whatever aspect ratio you're on. All the controls are self-explanatory. I'm not going to go over them. I'm just going to show you how a few of them work. So they'll work on 9x16 just as well as 16x9. See how it's kind of acting weird? If it does, like I say, just reapply it when you get to whatever aspect ratio you're going to work on. There's 22 of them. Yeah, right there. See, we applied this on 9x16, and it'll do the same thing if you go the other way when you switch in the middle of it. And again, if you have something like this and you want to rotate it, you can set it up to rotate. Just right click on Angle, Expression, put in Time, Multiply by whatever number you want. The higher the number, the faster it'll rotate, the lower, slower it'll go. And you can stretch these out to whatever length you like. They're all made with expressions. Animations are all different. Some of them are a lot alike. You may think they're the same, but they are different. And if you want to reverse the motion, just put a minus in front of the fraction. Now it's going the other direction. Larger fraction, the faster it'll go. They're all the same, like that. I'll show you a few more of them. That was got a real slow motion to it. Like I said, they'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.